This task involves getting your driver information ready to be uploaded into the Travel Tracker for Routes software. So attached to the email for this task is a CSV file. It's called 3importdrivers.csv. If you will open that file, it will open it in Excel for you, and it will give you a sample of how to enter your data. The first line here for Alexander James is just a sample record. You can leave this here and start your data on line 5, and that way you can tell exactly what kind of format you need to put this information in. So let me cover some of the information included. Now, the first name and last name are in red because those are truly the only fields that absolutely are required. The rest of the information is all optional, but I do want to point out a few things that you want to pay attention to. One of those is the email address and the phone number. And so if you want your drivers to be sent an email with notifications for changes and things, the email is something I would probably recommend that you put into the system. Things like the local ID, that can be an employee ID or some other kind of driver ID that you identify, whatever you need that to be. Date of birth, make sure you put that in the same format that we have listed here. Gender, social security number, probably not recommended unless you have some reason to keep that in the system. Hire date, license class, license number, and expiration. You can expand some of these out if you need to. So the rest of these are optionals, any kind of license restrictions, pay rate, overtime rate, comments, address, city, state, zip. Again, all of that is optional. If you just want to be able to have a place to track that, you can put that in here. Now, of course, any of this information can be added later to the drivers through the interface of the system. Now, there is one other area I would like for you to pay attention to, and that is the staff type. So this could be, a regular driver, sub driver. So this is kind of a way to categorize your drivers in the system. So in a travel tracker, there is a staff tab. And in that staff tab, just to show you where this is, your types of drivers will show up here. So as you are working with your staff or your drivers, you can easily spot who's your regular driver, who's your sub drivers. So we will actually set those options up for you if you'll just indicate on this sheet which staff type this needs to be, then we'll import those for you. So thank you very much. When you complete this spreadsheet, you'll just need to save this and upload it to the task and indicate done on the task. If you have any questions, you can indicate in beyond that you are stuck on this task. Our implementation folks will get back with you. And thank you very much.